Hey guys, everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe my sister going to show you how to make Nepali Chatpat, which is her favorite recipe. So first we're going to add chana, which is we soak in overnight this.
To add some onion,
Cucumber,
and we are going to add some tomato,
green chili,
two Wai Wai. So I'm going to add, before we have to crunch it, so to add some masala of Wai Wai. So after that we are going to add 1 teaspoon cumin seed and 1 teaspoon chili powder and half teaspoon salt. So we are going to add lemon juice. Now we are going to mix it well. So at last we are going to add puff rice.
Okay, now she going to make peppercorn. So this is not necessary, but she want to feel like to eat street food how they serving. So she try to make this peppercorn. Okay, yes. 배터리 싫어도 저거 줬어. 전부 크런치도 귤무도 아니에요. 그때 사서 넣어요.
Nilasa shampoo.
잠시만. 딱 봤어 말 참담살. If you like her recipe, please give her a thumbs up and bring the more recipe. Subscribe, like, share with your friends and family, and every time thank you for watching my video. And all them enjoy my recipe. Bye bye.